Namaste everyone. I am Shriya. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In today's tutorial, we are going to make alphabet D gift box and a gift which we can give our loved ones. This is a series where I had made all alphabet boxes and cute gifts for each alphabet. Do check out Alphabet and Numbers Craft playlist for more such videos. Without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. First, let's draw alphabet D on 2-inch grid paper. Your alphabet D is ready. Trace the alphabet D on another paper, mark 0.3 cm and make another alphabet D. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. If your strips are short, then you can join the strips. Fold the lines as shown in the video and make cuts. Now simply glue the bended strips and stick on the alphabet D cutout. For making lead of alphabet D, repeat the same process. Your super cute alphabet D is ready. You can give gifts and chocolates in this box. Now let's make customized specs out of alphabet D. You will require cardboard, Your customized alphabet D specs are ready. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.